The sounds of Earth. First, the most popular sound. We call it talking. It's also known fondly as shooting one's mouth off. Discussing, chewing the fat, yammering, blabbing, conversing, confiding, debating, gossiping, hollering, and yakking.
Hello.
So here's a whole bunch of jaw creakers. How come none of you guys out there don't yap at us? We'd sure like to hear what you have to say on the subject of where you are.
For our second selection, we will now play a medley of music which you may or may not care for, since, as I know myself, music is a very personal thing. Why not a little musical extravaganza, Earthward? As I say, we're waiting.
Now for something for everyone scenario. Here, a rush hour traffic jam. Brakes are screeching, horns are blasting, this is a phone ringing, and a keyboard tapping, and a printer whirring in the background. I'm very partial to this next example of earth sound. A rocking chair creaks back and forth on a porch, accompanied by birds and cricket chirping. To finish up, we got a lawnmower, knitting needles, a hammer, a saw, a football stadium after a score, a door shutting, a baby crying, and the ever-popular drone of television blaring across the airwaves.
We're equal opportunities down here, so if you're a blob or have 3 heads or look like something the cat dragged in, we won't bat an eyelid.